In this video, we'll show you how to get Apple TV Plus for free, step by step and completely legally. The first thing we need to do is visit the official Apple TV Plus website or open the Apple TV app on our device. Once we're inside, we'll sign in with our Apple account. If we don't have one yet, we can create an account by following the steps shown on the screen. Next, Apple will show us the available options for subscribing to Apple TV Plus. Depending on our account, device, or available promotion, we may see a free trial for a specific period. These promotions can vary, so we should always check which offer is currently available to us. If the free trial option is available, we'll select it and follow the instructions to activate it. Apple may require us to add a payment method, although the subscription will not be charged during the promotional period. Once the trial has been activated, we'll be able to access the Apple TV Plus catalog and enjoy its shows, movies, and original productions during the period included in the promotion. Now comes an important part. If we don't want to continue the subscription after the trial ends, we need to cancel it before the renewal date. Simply deleting the app will not cancel the subscription. To do this, we'll go to our Apple account settings, open the subscription section, select Apple TV Plus, and follow the steps to cancel the renewal. Before confirming, we'll check the date when our access ends and make sure that the cancellation has been completed successfully. And that's it. As you can see, getting Apple TV Plus for free through a promotional trial is fairly simple when an offer is available, as long as we use Apple's official channels and review the terms before activating it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.